think of ways that you can become more physically active, and perhaps this may involve incorporating your family members, because that would be a way of you to spending time together and also trying to lose weight. I often find that male patients that I'm working with ask about weight loss, and it's really important to see what helped you when you were younger. I find that a lot of men will say, when I was in my teens and in my 20s, I used to play a lot of sports, and weight loss wasn't the forefront of my mind. I was really just enjoying myself, and the pounds came off. And so I would ask you the same question: what is it that you really enjoy in your life right now, and how can we incorporate that in some form of physical activity? So people will say, I would love to play a game of pickup basketball, or I really enjoy hiking, and I just don't get enough of a chance. And then I would ask you, well, why not? What's holding you back? People say, I don't have time, I don't have the resources, I have kids. And I would say, perhaps as we get older, it's more important for us to become more creative when it comes to weight loss issues. So think of ways that you can become more physically active, and perhaps this may involve incorporating your family members, because that would be a way of you to spending time together and also trying to lose weight. So physical activity, in addition to watching obviously what you eat, is going to be very important in trying to be able to increase exercise and physical activity and ultimately weight loss in your life.